Warm welcome to all of you to our channel Grow to Wealth. Please subscribe to our channel for more weekly recommendations. This week we are giving some very interesting stock suggestions to you. We are recommending top rated 10 fundamentally strong stocks to all of you. We analyzed the past 5-year financial performance of these 10 stocks and also the 5 quarters financial performance. We found that these companies have been consistently performing well for the past 5 years. But let us understand that the past performance does not indicate the future performance. These stock recommendations are only as per our own research. Equity investments are subject to market risks. These recommendations are only for information purposes. Equity investments can erase all your hard-earned money, so research yourself before investing in equity market. All investors should understand that equity investments are little higher risk, so need higher research and attention to create wealth. We had suggested stocks in December week 3. The stocks have given amazing returns within a span of 3 weeks. 2021, we suggested 10 stocks. They have given more than 7% returns within 2 weeks. Last week, our suggested stocks have given more than 3% return in 5 trading sessions. Price analysis. Nifty and Sensex increased by 4.11% in 3 weeks, but outperformed our portfolio stocks on an average of 11.4%. We suggest that investors can hold these stocks in their portfolio. We are recommending top 10 fundamentally strong stocks for long-term and short-term investment. Hindalco Industries is a large-cap company engaged in aluminium and its products along with copper and copper products globally and is the largest aluminium manufacturer in India. The stock trading is below intrinsic value and is as of now having the highest aluminium price, will give decent profit margins to the company. Indus Towers is a large-cap company engaged in EPC of wireless communication towers along with operation and maintenance of the towers. Presently, the company is covering 22 telecom circles in India, partnering with Jio, Bharti Airtel, Vodafone and BSNL. Stock is trading below its intrinsic value. L&T Infotech Limited is a large-cap technological company engaged in consulting and digital solutions. It is a company that provides information and technological services. It offers cloud consultancy, cloud infrastructure assurance, cybersecurity resilience, and application management services, as well as Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, Maximo, and Microsoft Dynamics 365 solutions. The company provides all types of consulting services to all industrial sectors. The company has high ROE of 29.7%, ROCE of 56.4%, ROA of 19.9%. The stock price is in bullish range. The stock has given 97% of returns within 1 year to investors. Titan Company. This company is a large cap company engaged in jewelry, ornaments and wearables with various well-known brands in the country and globally such as Tanishq, Titan, Fastrack, etc. The company has low debt to equity ratio and has a PEG ratio of 0.78%. Vedanta Limited is a large cap company engaged in exploring and extracting and processing of oils and gas. It is the largest non-ferrous metal manufacturer in Asia. The company's stock trading is below intrinsic value with low debt and high dividend yield. The company has given highest returns to investors on FY22. Affle India Limited is a global technological mid-cap company with proprietary consumer intelligence platform that delivers consumer acquisitions, engagements and transactions through mobile advertising. They are mainly engaged in advertising and publicity in media and mobiles. Affle India Limited, the company has highest institutional holding with high ROCE, ROE and ROA. Bajaj Finance is a NBFC large cap company engaged in consumer finance, SME, commercial lending, and wealth management. The company is also giving finance to two-wheelers and other vehicles as well as personal loans. The company has had highest net profit last year and sales growth of 22.9% in the last 5 years and 33.7% of institutional holding. Grasim Industries is the largest viscose fiber staples manufacturing company in India. This is a parent company of the well-known Ultratech Limited. The company's net profit margin was declared 100%. The stock trading is at 1.7 times of its value and 19.2% of its stock PE. Redington India is a mid-cap company selling computer hardware systems for IT and non-IT products. As of now, new age technologies like AI, robotics, big data analytics and IoT, 5G communications, etc. are opening new opportunities to the company. The company is having high institutional holding. Stock trading is below intrinsic value. There is high ROE and ROCE. Lowest debt equity ratio has made this company's stock undervalued. eClerx Services Limited is a mid-cap BPO ITES company which is engaged in the process management firm specializing in innovative business process, change management and data-driven insights. They also include trade processing, support, reconciliation and control, expense management, reference data management, accounting and finance management services. The company has global presence. It has reported high ROE, ROCE and ROA. The company's stocks institutional holding is 33.4% with very low debt to equity ratio. Stock trading is at 25.3 times. Here is a summary of our this week's stocks. Pause the video to note down these stocks. Next week we will recommend some other stocks for your portfolio. Thank you for watching.